Today I'm going to show you how to commence a flash loan on Uniswap. First you're going to have to go to Remix. This is where we're going to write the smart contract to commence the flash loan. When you get there, you can click on the File Explorer and you can go to this little thing right here and it'll pop up saying create a new file. You're going to create a new file and call it flashloan.sol. Press enter. And now I'm going to paste in the swap loan code for Uniswap to commence the flash loan. I'll post this down in a link. Click down here. And it's very important you'll be clicking down on the compiler. And this is the compiler version. And we're actually using 050. So we're going to have to change this. Okay. So click on compile. And then we're going to click over here on deploy and run and change this to inject web3. And you're going to make sure you metamask. That address begins with that. Okay, we're matched up with the right one. We can click on once you do that, this will pop out here. We're going to click this out. It says token name. You can make up any token name. This is going to be a dummy token. And then we're going to, the token symbol, that can be anything too. It doesn't really matter. I usually use 3 capital letters. And the loan amount. Now this is the important part here is the loan amount. We're going to borrow 1,000 Ether. Go transact. And we're going to have to, this fee here is going to launch this is going to be your contract. It's actually going to be locked into that address you're launching from. You have complete control over it. So we're going to confirm. And when that contract succeeds, you'll be deployed contracts. You'll pop down here and you'll have your contract. Before we can run the contract, we have to fund it. We have to put gas money in the contract. So we're going to go over here first and click copy. This is your contract address. Go to your MetaMask. You're going to have to send gas money to run this contract. It's going to do a lot of different transactions on Uniswap, trading back and forth, and that's where the arbitrage comes in. You make money from. You have to pay for the gas for it. Okay, so we sent gas to it. Now we have to wait until that goes through before we can run the action on this. If I would have accidentally ran the action without giving the gas money, it wouldn't have done anything. There wouldn't have been any. I mean, it would have ran the contract, but the contract would have exhausted because it wouldn't have had any gas to run it. Another thing to remember is you can't overfund your contract. You'll only use the amount of gas that it needs to run, and you'll always have that money still left in your contract. So it's better to overfund it than underfund it. Okay, so now we can run this action. We're going to start our contract now. Run it through. So there we go. We have to send gas money again to run that. But watch when this goes through the balance. Slowly but surely, there it goes. Boom! Wow. We did really good this time. And you can do this all day long. So I hopefully you liked my video, and hopefully it makes you money. And I'll put everything down in the description, the links to everything, and all the code. And I hope I described it good enough for you to run it. And thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.